In this video, I will show you how to make a video clip for TikTok using GIFS. I'm using a software called the Videotic, which is made specially for TikTok. As a side note here, you can create videos inside TikTok, but for some reason I find it difficult. I feel like recreating the wheel there, so I prefer to use third-party apps. There are many. I like this Videotic because it's very easy to use and it has additional features, not only making the video. And it's only like $37 right now. They are running a promotion. So I want to do, in this video, I want to do GIF videos because I like GIFs. They are funny. So you have the option here to name your video. Let's look at weird, let's say, weird niche. And we're gonna create, we're gonna choose 3 slides because each slide is the best. I mean, what I noticed, the best format is 3 slides with 5 seconds. So the software suggests a bunch of videos in our niche, like weird here. Oops. So let's say we choose these clips, and then we're gonna go next. Before you start doing anything here, you go through the setup. There are a lot of very good tutorials here. You're gonna set up your account. You're gonna create a logo if you want to. I think it's a good idea. You have the option to upload your logo. We're not gonna do it now. We go next. Next, we have the option to add music. For this video, you can add music right here, so you don't want to deal with TikTok. I personally love the collection of music clips in TikTok, but we're gonna add anticipation, any of these. Go through them and listen and choose. We're gonna do this. Next, select the output. We want an MP4 because this is how we're gonna upload it. Start creating the video. The video will be rendered in about 2 minutes. It will be ready. After you see, I like to play with this. I created a lot. So after you finish the video, you can edit. You can download the video. If you like it, you download it to your computer, and then you go in TikTok and upload it, and you're good to go. But this particular software, which I said is made for TikTok, it has the trim reel where you can actually trim the video and add the text, and there are a bunch of tutorials how to do that, and also a scheduler, which is awesome. The company created an app which you're gonna download on your iPhone or Android, and following the instructions, you can schedule your post on TikTok, which is amazing. I didn't see any other scheduler ever, nowhere. But who knows? Maybe something came up and I don't know. So in the trim wheel, you choose your video and you size it for TikTok or for YouTube, or for, you see, you import, or for Instagram. TikTok is vertical 9:16, but you can use as it is also. Again, there are plenty of tutorials how to use it. You import from whatever you created, the cloud, because the software is a cloud-based software, or the video, and you play with it, at an older video. My intention is not to give you a tutorial how to do this. There are plenty, but you see that my video is 16:9. You can do it in this ratio or this or any, or it's very cool. It's very easy to format it, and then you can put text or other images. It's very, very cool. So with this being said, I just wanted to show you in this video that you can use GIF files to create a short video clip, which is very, very good. You can use that short video clip on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn also, because these particular platforms do not support uploading GIF files directly. So this is like a good idea to use the GIFs, the funny GIFs, to um, market your business, market yourself, brand yourself, and all that good stuff. So if you want to check out this software, which is called Videotic, I'm gonna leave a link under this video. I know they run a promotion right now. I paid actually $67 when I bought it, but now it's $30 off. I don't know how long it's gonna last, the promotion, but go ahead and check it out. And I will see you in the near future. Okay, bye now.